How to make your post public on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make your post public on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and click the storylines here and click see your profile, and then just select any post you want and click these 3 points here and then click edit post, and now just click this one here and here you will find public. Click on it and then just go back and save it. And as you see, that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video.